Welcome student. Today we discuss in chemistry 11th standard the name of chapter elements of group 13, 14 and 15. Here in introduction part we study the P block element show greater variation in properties than S block. Group 13, that is a boron family. Group 13, which contain boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Group 14 is a carbon family which contain carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Group 15 is a nitrogen family, contain nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Maximum 6 electron accommodate in p subshell. In electronic configuration of group 13, 14 and 15, P block consists group 13 to group 18, but right now we study only the group 13, 14 and 15. Group 13 is a boron family which contain boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium. Here these are the condensed electronic configuration of boron 2s2 2p1, aluminum 3s2 3p1, gallium 3d10 4s2 4p1, indium 4d10 5s2 5p1, thallium 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p1. In group 14 carbon family, the condensed electron configuration of carbon is 2s2 2p2, silicon 3s2 3p2, germanium 3d10 4s2 4p2, SN 4d10 5s2 5p2, lead 4p14 5d10 6s2 6p2. The general electronic configuration of group 14 is ns2 np2. Next one, the group 15 is a nitrogen family. Nitrogen having the condensed electronic configuration 2s2 2p3, phosphorus 3s2 3p3, arsenic 3d10 4s2 4p3, antimony 4d10 5s2 5p3 and bismuth 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p3. Next, we understand trends in atomic and physical properties of element of group 13, 14 and 15. In group 13, boron is a metalloid. We know the metalloid. The metalloid will show intermediate properties between the metal and non-metal. It is glossy, it is hard solid and also poor electrical conductor. While other metal in group 13 fairly reactive metal. Aluminum is third most abundant element in earth crust. Germanium is also brittle but hard and lustrous metalloid. Tin and lead are corrosion resistant and reactive. Group 13 show wide variation in their properties. Here we discussed some physical properties of group 13. The properties atomic number, atomic mass, atomic radius, which is measured in picometer, ionic radius, ionization enthalpy, which is measured in kilojoule mole inverse, where we represent some value, first ionization enthalpy, second ionization enthalpy, third ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, density, melting point and the boiling point. In atomic number, atomic mass and atomic radius, with ionic radius, when we move from top to bottom in a group, that is from boron to thallium, the values are increases. In ionization enthalpy, these are the ionization enthalpy values. In electronegativity, boron having the 2.0 electronegativity, but boron to aluminum it will be decreases, aluminum having 1.5, then it is again increases up to thallium, thallium having 1.8. These are the densities of boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium. We are represent here some values in a Kelvin, melting point and boiling point. Next table, some physical and atomic properties of group 14. Group 14 which contain carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. When we move from top to bottom, atomic number will be increases, carbon to lead. Atomic mass also increases from top to bottom in a group. Atomic radius, same thing will happen here. The values are increases. Ionic radius, it will be also increases in a group 14 from carbon to lead. Here the ionization enthalpies of group 14. The first ionization enthalpy, second, third and fourth ionization enthalpy. The electronegativity of carbon is 2.5. Then it will be decreases. Silicon, germanium and tin having electronegativity 1.8, while the lead which have 1.9 electronegativity. Then the density, the carbon having 3.51, silicon 2.34, germanium 5.32, silicon 7.26 and the lead 11.34. The melting point and boiling point which are calculated measured in Kelvin, these are the values of melting point, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Group 15 is a nitrogen family. It includes three traditional type of element. The nitrogen which is present in a gaseous state and brittle phosphorus are non-metals. Arsenic and antimony are a metalloid, while the bismuth is moderatively reactive. Here the some physical and atomic properties of group 15 element. Atomic number from nitrogen to bismuth in group 15 increases top to bottom. Atomic mass from nitrogen to bismuth it will be increases. Atomic radius also increases. Ionic radius, nitrogen having 131, phosphorus 212, arsenic 222, antimony 76, while the bismuth 103. Then the ionization enthalpy of nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. We are representing the first ionization enthalpy, second ionization enthalpy and the third ionization enthalpy of group 15 element. Then electronegativity of group 15 decreases down the group from nitrogen to bismuth. We are represent here some densities of nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. These are the melting point of group 15 element and the boiling point of group 15 element. Right now we study the next point, chemical properties of the elements of group 13, 14 and 15. The first point, that is the oxidation state. Then what is the oxidation state? Oxidation state is the primary chemical properties of all elements. The highest oxidation state exhibited by p block element is equal to number of valence electron S and P, called group oxidation state. In boron, carbon and nitrogen family, group oxidation state is most stable. Oxidation state for lighter element. Lower oxidation state become increasingly stable as we move down to heavier element. Here we represent some oxidation states of element of group 13, 14 and 15. The outer electronic configuration of group 13 is NS2NP1. Group oxidation state of 13 is +3. Other oxidation states of group 13 is +1. There are some examples of stable compound of group 13. These are the BF3, AlCl3, GaCl3, InCl3, TLBr. Next, group 14 having outer electronic configuration is NS2NP2. Group oxidation state of group 14 is +4, while other oxidation state of group 14 is +2 and -4. There are some examples of stable compound of group 14. These are CH4, CO2, CCl4, SiCl4, GeCl4, SnCl2 and PbCl2. Next, the group 15 having outer electronic configuration NS2NP3. The group oxidation state of group 15 is +5, while the other oxidation state of group 15 is +3 and -3. There are some examples of stable compound of group 15, and the examples of stable compounds are N2O5, NH3, NF3, PH3, PCl5, ASH3, SBH3, SBCl3 and BlCl3. Thank you. That's the tip.